Today I'm super excited to share with you my lentil and smoked ham soup. Super delicious. Believe me, it is. I hate lentils. Those who know me know that there is no love lost between me and the lentils. But it is so good that I'll even try it. Very easy to prepare, ready in under half an hour because I'm using canned lentils instead of dry. If you have dry, you just add to the cooking time to accommodate for the lentils. So first things first, I'm just going to power up my element here and get us going. So I'm going to take one onion. Now, this recipe is so easy that you don't even have to chop the onion. This is one of these rustic soups. I love rustic soup. And where your ingredients are as simple as you can to prepare them. Very, very easy. And there's literally only a few ingredients in this. So, I'm just gonna start chopping my onion here. Nothing complicated at all. If you are a vegetarian or a vegan, leave out the ham and it'll be absolutely fine as well, just as is. So, I'm going to take about a quarter cup of my Greek extra virgin olive oil. Get that off and going in there. None of this tablespoon business. I mean, leave that to the English. But for us, it's a quarter cup. I'm going to take my onion and just throw it in there. And there's that sizzle, baby. Love that. So that goes in there. I'm using one stick of celery, or one celery stalk is going to go in here, just like that. And carrot as well. So basically, this is what's known as a mirepoix. For us, it's carrots, celery, and onion. These little bad boys came from my garden. Don't judge, they're organic. And again, just slice these up, nothing fancy, nothing complicated at all. And just keep throwing these in there. And for this, because they're kind of stumpy, I will tell you, I would go with one carrot or one normal sized carrot. These are a little on the dwarf side, but what are you going to do? But they're still super sweet and super delicious. One bay leaf is going to go in there. Nothing adds to the depth of flavor like a really good, or like a bay leaf or two. It is fantastic. All right, that's off to the races. Next thing is a little bit of salt. And again, to taste. So salt will go in there. A little fresh cracked black pepper as well. This is an absolute treat because A, it's super delicious without all the complicated, BS. There's no stock in this. It is all flavored, all naturally from the ingredients. So that's there. And already, once everything starts hitting the heat, it's fantastic. All right, I'm going to take the equivalent to about half a cup of my smoked ham off my ham bone, and I'm just going to cut that up, nothing too tiny, just like that, and I'm going to add that in there. Again, for my vegetarian or vegan friends, feel free to leave this out, not a problem at all. So that will go in there, and wow. This is a soup that's going to eat like a meal. It's that hearty. And now this. This is absolutely fantastic. Look at this. My ham bone. This is my friend John, my brother from another mother. He brought this over for Canadian Thanksgiving. And this is what's left of this 10-pound, if not more, ham. It was beautiful. It's enormous. This bone has so much flavor in it, my friends. It is crazy. So that's going to go in here just like that and let that get cuddled in there. I'm going to take a 540 ml can of lentils with the liquid in them. And I'm going to add this into my, is there anything up there? Good, perfectly clean. I'm going to add them to my pot along with 2 cups of water. And this is just going to go in there just like that. And perfect. We're ready to go. Now, because the lentils are done, all we want to do is cook down everything else. So I'm going to bring up the heat, bring this up to a boil, reduce the heat once it starts boiling, and simmer for about 20-25 minutes, and our soup will be absolutely ready to go. All right, so my super delicious lentil soup is ready. I can't wait. So it's all done nice. The ham bone is all melted down. That's probably, as far as I'm concerned, that's probably the only saving grace of this soup. Smoked ham. You know what? For you lentil lovers, I'm sure it's delicious. So I'm just going to take a little bit here to try. Put it in a plate and just, yeah, that's really good. All right. So here it is. My lentil soup. All right, I'm going to try this out now. Jeez. Everywhere I look in this bowl, there's like lentil. Okay, let me grab a piece of ham. Drown out the taste. All right, here it is. Oh, that's so good. That's so delicious. Yeah. My friends, this is my lentil and smoked ham bone soup. I wrote this recipe for those of you that like hearty soups that are fast and feel good, stick to your ribs. That much more if you are a lentil lover. Thank you so much for watching. Honest to God, please try it. If you like lentils, I don't like lentils. What are you gonna do? But if you are a lentil lover, you will love this soup. Very easy to prepare. In like half an hour or less, you're done. Thank you again for watching. Please hit that like button if you like this video and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Today I took one for the team, but it is still a flavorful soup for the ham. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself and each other. And until next time, I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.